from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Celeste and Valerie today, and we're going to be taste testing the Praying Hands banana. These are named Praying Hands. You can see that they grow with the individual bananas kind of fused together, so it kind of looks like praying hands there. These are just about ripe. I personally would, another day maybe. I like them a little overripe, maybe even. This one, when it came off the tree, this one got a little damage on the tip there. But we're gonna, in order to eat these, you have to kind of unfuse them, and you can see it's not super easy. But
it's possible.
It's possible. Yeah. You don't really get the skin apart, but you can get the individual bananas out. But these are some of the best bananas that we've ever had. Let you finish cleaning one of those up.
Thanks.
That's really good. It's really sweet too.
We shared.
What's in there? That's really good.
Those are really good.
Yeah, it just has that little hint of vanilla that makes it a step above.
Never banana.
Yeah.
It's not a super dense banana. I like a plantain, have to chew it banana, and it's not.
Yeah, I like this kind.
It's got a little bit of a chewy core,
but
it's more. It's got a good. It's. I don't really like a fluffy banana. Like a grocery store bananas are almost too fluffy for me. This is a good in between.
Yeah.
But the flavor is what's really unique. It's got a really nice sweet. It's not sub-acid, but it's got a little bit of a a tang to it there. A little bit of a vanilla flavor sometimes.
Yeah, my first one had more vanilla than this one.
But it's a really good banana.
Yeah.
I think we should compare it to the Potogo.
Okay.
To see.
Are these able to get opened?
If you're industrious. Here, do you want me to give you this one?
Yes.
And the color is definitely very different.
Yeah. Like this one's more orange rested, this one's more white. I like this one better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
It's like this one's a lot sweeter, but I like how this one melts in your mouth and it tastes a lot better for me.
Yeah, this is a really good banana. This has always been our favorite.
Yeah, and they're peeling well. I mean, look, you're completely separating. They're so cool looking.
Yeah.
When they're growing.
Yeah, I mean, the only downside to these is you gotta break them apart, but I mean, it's not that hard.
They'll come apart pretty easily.
Yeah, they do come
I mean, if you're gonna pull them apart, it's gonna end up peeling them. That's
but it doesn't
well,
all
this
the
one
time.
did. I mean, I just pulled these apart and it ended up peeling halfway.
Well, and I didn't.
But you start at one end to work your way down.
Yeah. But anyway, I like that banana. I feel like it's easy to grow. It doesn't have a lot of disease issues. It's in the Saba family, which tends to be resistant to a lot of the funguses that we have here.
That's good. I could eat a lot of these.
Yeah.
I ended up selling a bunch, but the ones we have for sale sold out within hours. So.
Yeah.
So, Praying Hands, it seems like probably a novelty, but it's actually an excellent banana. So, you should grow one.
Yep.
I really could eat that whole bunch, I think. And I just finished eating dinner, and this is an excellent dessert. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.